Hi, welcome to Dave's Tiny Kitchen. Today, it's just going to be a short video. We're going to be making a nice little snack for later. It's pickled eggs. So let's stop messing around and crack on. Get it? So we couldn't get any simpler than this. The ingredients: star anise, black peppercorns, white vinegar or distilled vinegar, some baby beetroot, any beetroot you like really, you want the juice, and a couple of beetroots, and some eggs. Simple as that. Another little tip: if you blitz the beetroot and some of the pickling liquor in a food processor or a blitz or whatever, make sure that it is really tight fitting, and do not wear your best t-shirt. Especially don't wear your best favourite t-shirt from North Carolina. Don't do that, okay? You've been warned. So in here there's about 3 smallish beetroot, about the size of a golf ball. Just put into the food processor and blitzed up with some of the pickling juice, and then we'll be adding some white vinegar to that and bringing it to the boil. Once it's reached the boil, we take it right off and let it cool down. So into our beetroot pulp we just pour in some white vinegar, some distilled vinegar. Not too much, you just want to cover the eggs when they're in the jar. The jars have already been sterilised into a hot oven for about 10 minutes. They're perfectly clean before they went in, and that sterilises them. Do not put the lids in the oven to sterilise. The vinegar and the beetroot is warming up now. It's not boiling yet, but it's getting near. As that happens, at this stage we put in a star anise and anything else that I use, and I've got some black peppercorns. We just throw that in now, bring it so it just boils, and then turn the heat off and allow it to cool down a bit. After that I'm going to strain it a little bit in there. Okay, so that's just come to the boil. I'm actually going to sieve it now. So it's the juice we're looking for and not the pulp. I'll fish out the 2 star anise that are in there, and they'll go into the bottom of the jars as well. Okay, I've allowed the vinegar to cool down a bit now, so it's just a case of pouring over the eggs. Obviously not got enough of the red liquor, so just top it up with some white vinegar. Same with the little jar. We'll put the tops on them, and that's done. Now for the white eggs, you don't need to boil the vinegar at all. That's it. Hard boiled eggs in and topped up. The top's on really tight, and there we have it. These will be pink pickled eggs.